Today we're looking at what kind of film tank or development equipment you might need if you're developing film at home or even in a school environment where you have to provide your own equipment. So whether you want a small tank for just 1 or 2 rolls of film, large tanks for more, or maybe even racks and open tanks for sheet film. We're going to look at all the different variety of options so that you can make the best purchase for your needs. Welcome to the Naked Photographer, where I'll be exposing myself. No, I won't. That sounded better in my head. If you're going to develop 35mm film, then you're going to need to get a tank and a reel. Some tanks come with metal lids. If you're going to develop 2 rolls of film, you're going to need 2 reels. That means you're going to need a double tank to fit those reels into. Some double tanks come with metal lids. If you're going to develop more than that, you're going to need to get an extra large tank that can fit 4 reels or more. You can also get a plastic tank. They come with plastic reels. Not just 1, usually 2. Other kinds of plastic tanks are the Kodak tank. They don't come with reels. Instead, they come with an apron, a divider, and another apron. These just kind of wrap around the film. Another choice is the jobo tank with jobo reels. These are used on jobo machines. For 120 film, you're going to need a tank, previously called the double tank, and a 120 reel. They also come with metal lids. For more than 1 roll, you're going to need the extra large tank and 2 reels. If you want to use a plastic tank, you can use the same one and the same plastic reel, just expand it. Or you can use the same jobo tank and the same jobo reels, just expand those. For large format, use a tray. You're going to need 3 to 5 of them. Or you can use a jobo tank and a super special sheet film reel for jobo machines. Or a jobo expert tank, no reels needed. Lastly, you can use a large tank and film racks. Okay, so that kind of gives a pretty good overview of the different kinds of tanks that you can get out there. Mostly I cover the ones that you can get very easily online, like eBay, Amazon, or even just from photo-specific places like B&H, Adorama, Freestyle, and so on. Even Craigslist, you might be able to find quite a few of these for relatively little money. So if you're using sheet film, you might want open tanks, maybe a tray. For roll film, these tanks are very versatile. Unless you know you're only going to be doing 1 roll at a time, I actually would recommend a double tank, whether it's plastic or metal, because then you can do 2 rolls, and if you decide to upgrade from 35mm to medium format, you're already prepared. You just have to change what reel is inside, or within case of plastic frames, tanks, you just expand the reel that you have. So that should get you started. The next video we're going to look at how you might load the film into those tanks, followed by another video where we talk about the different styles of agitation, and then we will go into the darkroom and actually develop a roll of film start to finish, so that if you've never done it or if it's been a while and you need a refresher, we'll kind of cover all that topic for you. So thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.